Hello, and welcome to, I think, part 4. Might be part 5, depending on what platform you're on. But as you can see, I have helpers. They're currently bleeding my brakes for me. Last episode, we got the engine running. We got it to start, ran good. So now we're just gonna kind of dial in the carburetor. Just some finishing touches like bleeding the brakes, getting levers put on, and putting on some aftermarket parts. So that's what we're gonna do in this episode. Hopefully get to the point where we can actually ride this thing. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna work on putting on some of the aftermarket parts. We can go through kind of what those are as I do it. All right, so a lot of the little mechanical things have been wrapped up here. Show you a couple of things that I've done here. You can see my clutch. This is a Magura hydraulic clutch. So you can see there's a hydraulic tube and a little hydraulic cylinder. And that comes up to my clutch lever. So this will make it a lot lighter pull and give me more range. And then did the brakes, bled all the brakes, and the grips are on. So now just kind of probably start putting fuel tank on, plastics, and start buttoning this thing up. All right, so as you can see, we have a dirt bike and the parts table is completely clean. But yeah, obviously not finished with it. Aesthetically, it needs a lot of work. But for now, I just want to get it mechanically sound, make sure that it's running right and everything's functioning. And then from there, we'll start doing plastics, graphics, wheels, and we'll get it dialed in. But for now, I just want to get everything kind of mechanically going. But yeah, there it is. It's super late. I'm gonna get some sleep, and then tomorrow, gonna go ahead and do some testing. Get it out on I got a little track here, just for messing around on, and so we're gonna get it out there, test it, see how she rides, drives, and then from there we've got some more work to do. But made some good progress, especially considering it's been like 3 days. See you guys in the next video. Go ahead and subscribe, follow, depending on what platform you're watching it on, and yeah, stick around because we got more to do.